In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Wix footer. If you're familiar with Wix, you'll know how crucial a footer can be for your website. It's an excellent place to add important links, contact information, and even social media icons, all of which make your website more engaging and user-friendly. To start this process, first, ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Head straight to your site's dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you'll find various tools and options to manage and edit your site. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option that says Design Site. Clicking here will whisk you away to the Wix website editor, where all the magic happens. The editor is a versatile tool that allows you to manipulate every aspect of your website design, but today we're focusing specifically on the footer. Now that you're in the editor, scroll down to the bottom of any page that includes a footer. Often, you'll find the same footer shared across multiple pages. As you scroll, you'll notice that when you hover over the footer area, it becomes highlighted, indicating that it can be selected and edited. Go ahead and click on the highlighted footer to select it. Once the footer is selected, you'll typically see a Quick Edit option appear. This option is a convenient way to directly edit text, menus, social icons, and various other elements within the footer without getting too deep into the intricacies of the editor. This is an effective way to quickly make changes and updates. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous or have specific visual styles in mind, you might want to use the design icon, which looks like a paintbrush. This icon allows you to delve into customizing the footer's appearance, such as the background color, borders, and other visual aspects. This feature is particularly useful if you want your footer to align seamlessly with the rest of your website's design theme. Once you're satisfied with your changes and customizations, always remember to preview your edits. This step will show you how the footer looks in a live setting and gives you a chance to spot any last-minute adjustments before your audience sees it. After you're happy with the preview, hit Publish to make your newly edited footer visible to everyone visiting your site. And there you have it. Editing your Wix footer is straightforward when you know where to look and what tools to use. Whether you're updating information, adjusting the design, or simply experimenting with new ideas, these steps will guide you to make effective changes efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.